Alright guys, so here we have one of my other models. This is the only one I'm doing like this. I am not creating this style again, but you guys can see just a quick explanation. This is a stainless steel cooktop, and it's actually made for eggs. It's been dug in a little bit, so it's kind of like this. So it's sort of like a plate, so you crack your egg on here and you just cook an egg or whatever on here. This back piece is L channel or whatever they call it. There's it's made like a rectangle, so basically I'll show you guys in a minute. But what it's for is, you can use this outside, so you throw a quick piece of chain or grate across here, and you can actually directly cook on here as well if you need more heat, because this is, actually I haven't tested it out yet, but I would presume that this produces more heat than this. But yeah, this rectangle here is made so you can slide a vent on it, and then you could technically, you just put the vent on and connect your hosing out, so you could have this indoors as well if you needed to. This is a handle, but the main feature of this is that this whole thing moves 360. It's on bearings. These are industrial bearings down there, so the heat won't affect them even if it did happen to get down there, which is pretty impossible. Other than that, let me just go ahead. I think I need two hands here to crack this. It's still brand new. Hold on a second. You guys can see, again, 4 seals. We got one here, one at the bottom, and 2 inside here. Okay, so that's going to be your seal. That's going to seal your wood in. Opens nicely, closes nicely, but you do need 2 hands. You just get that a little bit oiled up there. It should be fine to go. Other than that, I just thought it was pretty cool because the whole thing rotates. And yeah, this is about a I'd say a 1/4 inch piece of stainless for the egg top. Okay, so that's the idea. I'll show you guys quickly what I mean by this top piece before I sign out. Other than that, it's Hacksaw Stevenson with another creation. Let me show you guys what it looks like down here. Now this is actually a bike frame, or a bike fork. And it's been connected to a piece of industrial equipment there. Very cool. But yeah, that's your basic layout for it. It's going to a very special person, and I know they're going to enjoy it. So let me show you this top piece, and that'll be it for today. Okay, so here's basically what I mean. This is obviously for more of a drier outlet piece, but you'd want something like this, and then you would just put it right over like that. Adjust the size, connect it as you would need. This is obviously a little bit big, but you guys can see, and then you could even hammer this one back into shape to fit this piece alone, but ideally you'd want something that fits pretty close. And then you just connect your vent out into the wall or something, or out the window or something like that, and you technically could run this inside the house. Okay, so that's it. Again, this is a swivel. This is the 360 swivel. It goes all the way around. It just keeps going. So I'm not doing this one again. But with that being said, guys, if you guys like this stuff, you guys know what to do. Other than that, we'll see you guys soon. Peace.